Hi, in this video we can talk about Replica Set. Replica Set is another feature in Kubernetes. This feature helps to maintain the desired pods in the Kubernetes, and also it can provide a self-healing for pods. If sometimes the pods will fail, it will automatically adjust the pod to again run, and we can run only the same web server in this replica set. We do not run multiple web server in this replica set, and also we can run the desired number of pods in this replica set. Now we see how to create replica set, how to create YAML file for replica set. First I open my AWS management console. Here I have 3 node, 2 master node, 2 worker node, 1 master node. Now I connected to my master node. Click here, then connect, then I copy this SSH client, then open the Windows PowerShell. Here I move to my key directory, then here paste, then enter. Now we are connected to the master node. I already have some YAML files. I already have 4 YAML files, one for multi-container, another one is the pod, another one is deployment, another one is replica set. Now I create one YAML file for replica set. I will give the name, open vi, then enter demo.yaml, enter. Here we paste that script of the replica set. Now I move to the Kubernetes official documentation. Here I go to search, type replica set. Here I got the response. I click here. Here they will mention about replica set. How is the replica set work? Then what is the use of replica set? Here they will mention. Then scroll down. This is the example script. Here there is API version apps v1. Then kind. This is the replica set. Then metadata. It is the name of that replica set. That is front end. Then here labels. Here they will give the 2 labels here. One is the app, another one is the tire. Then spec section we can see replica 3. Here we will mention our desired pod will be run in the Kubernetes. Here they will mention 3, then selector. Then this selector will help to match to these pods. Then template. Here is the spec container. Here we will mention the which image will be run here. Now I copy this script. Then move to PowerShell. I paste here. Based on the requirement, we will edit this. Here I will leave this. Here is the name is the front end. Then here we have the 3 replica set. I changed only this image only. Go to insert mode. I will change the name. I will give demo 1, then edit the image name. I will give the name Nginx. Then save this. Now we created one file. replica set file. The name is demo.yaml. Here I will show I have one architecture diagram of this replica set. This is the replica set. Here we will run the 3 pod. That pod selector name is app Ubuntu. Here also the pod name also Ubuntu. Then based on this match labels, that replica set managed these pods in the worker node. So this is the architecture diagram for our replica set. Then move to PowerShell. Here I created the YAML file. Now we run this YAML file. Type this command kubectl apply -f, then enter the file name demo.yaml. Here we got one response, the replica set, the front end will created. Now we check, type this command kubectl get replica set. Here we have one replica set, that name is front end, created 17 seconds ago. Decide the 3, that means we have 3 pod here, because we mentioned in replica we have mentioned 3. Here we see we mentioned replica 3. So we have designed the 3 pods. Now we check the pod kubectl get pod. Here we have 3 pods. Now I am delete one pod here. Then we see it will automatically created the next one. I copy this. Then here type the command kubectl delete pod, then enter that pod name. Now we will see it will delete and it will again recreate within seconds. Now we got a response, this pod will deleted. Now we will again check the list of pods. Again you see here we have 3 pod. One pod will created 12 seconds ago. So this replica set have self-healing capacity. So if some pod will deleted, it will automatically recreate it. So now see how to delete this replica set. Again we use the same command, we can use it in this previous video, that is kubectl delete -f, then enter the, here we will enter that file name demo.yaml. Now we got the response that replica set will create deleted. Now we will check once kubectl get pod. Here we don't have pod because the replica set will created, that replica set will contain the pod. So next we can type kubectl replica set. Now we got the response, no resource found in the default namespace. This means the replica set also not here. So this is the way to use the replica set, create the YAML file for replica set, then delete the replica set. Thank you.